Good morning, guys. Good morning. And I am so glad that you are here with me on today. It is such a beautiful day on today, and the Spirit of God is just flowing all in this air. And I'm so excited about it. And I just want to let you know something. This is specific for somebody. You were in a situation that had become so toxic and unbearable that you had to leave. You tried to do everything in your power to make it work. You prayed about it, you fasted about it, you seek counsel about it to God, and you left that environment. And congratulations, because it is hard for us sometimes to leave situations, leave people, leave environments that has gripped us so strongly in our spirit that we fear the unknown. But I want to let you know something, that person that you left regret losing you. Please listen to me. That person that the enemy used for years. When I'm talking about years, I'm not talking about 1 or 2. I'm talking about 20 plus years. The enemy used this person to manipulate you and control you. This person came into your life because they trapped you in a situation. And you finally heard the Lord say that you are free to go, and you walked away. And so now, because you chose to walk away out of a situation that you know that you shouldn't have been in, that was so manipulative and so controlling and so much gaslighting involved and love bombing and this relentless cycle of just physical or even mental, spiritual abuse, you finally got the courage to walk away, and now the world has come undone in that person's life. Now they're beginning to use your family members to talk to you for little flying monkeys. Now they're trying to do everything they can to hold on to you, because I want you to understand that the devil needs you in order to be productive in this environment. Without you, without your life force energy, without your spirit, he cannot continue to dominate. He cannot continue to control. He cannot continue to thrive and live. You have to understand that when they were booted up out of heaven, you have to understand that you have more power. The reason why you have more power is because you have divine connections in the heavens. The reason why is because the Spirit of the living God resides on the inside of you. And for 20 plus years, this person has been able to live. They have been able to influence. They have been able to make your life a living hell. Some of you had to walk away from somebody that had you in tens of thousands of, probably hundreds of thousands dollars worth of debt, credit card debt. Some of you had to walk away from somebody that consistently cheated on you all the time. And every time they did, they came crying and whining, talking about, I didn't have this as a child. This happened to me. I didn't have a parent growing up. So they use that as an excuse to play on your heartstrings, because you have a big heart, so they could continue to live and thrive and make your life a living hell. I want you to know today that they are sick today because they regret losing you. They took you for granted. They regret losing you. They didn't take you seriously at all. They didn't expect for you to leave, but God gave you the courage. He gave you the authorization. See, some of them have even used your culture. Some of them have even used religion. Some of them have even used the word of God to manipulate you into staying in a place that God never intended for you to be in anyway. Some of them are using your children, your family members today to try to hoodwink you to stay into a situation that is so bad for you that you know that you're not supposed to be there, and you walked away. So now the family's looking at you like you're crazy. And everybody's saying that you are the bad person, when God never intended for you to get wrapped up, caught up in this sinful, toxic situation. And I just want to encourage you today to let you know that the decision that you made is the best decision for you, because you were able to get out of a situation that you had been hoodwinked into. You've been able to cut the spiritual cord of the devil manipulating and controlling you. You are now able to begin your life. Some of you may be beginning your life in your 50s, in your 60s, in your 40s. You're beginning your life. You're beginning to live the life that God has intended for you to live. You've got a taste of the Spirit of God, and you've gotten a taste of what liberation and freedom feels like. See, it ain't always what you think. An oppressive spirit is not always what you think. An oppressive spirit will come through somebody that knows what your brokenness is. They know your childhood problems. That spirit knows your issues, and that spirit will get into somebody and use that to cripple you. And now you've walked away, and they didn't want you to leave. They are sick today because they lost what I call just a significant supply. They lost love. They lost finances. They lost a punching bag. They've lost a confidant. They've lost a fixer. They've lost a counselor. All of that. They lost that. And the reason why they lost that is because you never should have been there. But maybe, just maybe, the reason why they lost that is so they could find that in God. Think about that. They treated you like a dog before, but they're crying today because they never expected for you to leave. Until the next video, guys. Peace. I am so proud of your strength, and I believe in you. Bye now.